Hello friends, today we are going to review our new product known as Xiaomi VR. If you see, there are several VRs available in market in a price of 1000 to 2000, but if you compare the quality when you really watch the 360 videos in that, the quality is not that good. But in that you can say in that range, I found one of the most competent and one of the most brilliant VR of Xiaomi, which give you a nice view and make you feel really a virtual world around you. So I'm going to introduce this VR. There is Xiaomi VR for you. I have, if you see on the website, it is out of stock on Xiaomi, but I've purchased it through eBay.in, and after applying a coupon, I just got this at 1061 rupees, which is 61 rupees more cost to me in comparison to what Xiaomi is selling of 999, so 62 rupees actually. So but I think this is a nice price in which I can get it, because if it is totally not available on Xiaomi store right now. So, and it is also not sure that when they are again going to launch this VR. So let's review this. I am already using this VR from last 2 weeks, so I am pretty satisfied with that. So if you see, let's start with its review. So it came in this normal box with some marking and specification over there that is in Chinese, so it is not possible for me to read for you or let you know something about this. So just start viewing it from the the device itself. This is the packing. You can see it is pasted on these lenses. So I'm already used this, so I'm not placing it back only, that's why it is coming out. Otherwise there are four packings so like this on lens on both sides. So if you see the design also, it is really great here. So it has a band to hold up in your head, so it can be adjusted from here. Yeah, you can adjust it from here, so you can adjust as per your head size, so there is no issue. Even for the width also, it has a strap over here, you can adjust like this. So it is already adjusted according to my head, and it has a lens, you can see. So, and here if you see, there is very good quality of material. It is some, you can say it is not plastic, but it is cardboard covered with proper Rex, you can say Rexin type thing, which make it really look uh, good. Even its quality, even after using, I didn't feel any pain or any strain at any point of my head or on my nose, and it is compatible to everybody's head, because my brother is also using this, so he's also feel the same comfort. So here to place a phone, generally we see that there are sliders or something are provided, but they provide a zip over here, which is make the use of it more comfortable. If you want to see, it is just like this. We will put the phone, and these are the grips. If you see, these are the grips available to hold your phone. It can, yeah, these are the grips, so it can hold up to you can say from 5-inch mobile to says 5.5 to 5 to 5.5 to 6 inch mobile can be easily placed in this to provide you the VR feel. Inside this is a small again instructions menu, which is again in Chinese, so I really don't know. This is a VR. This is a QR code for downloading a VR app from Xiaomi. You can directly download it also from Google Play. So I think because it is app is written in English, otherwise all other things are again in Chinese. So this is the VR. If you see, it is of good quality, and this patch is provided over here so that phone will not get slipped when you place it over here. I have a Xiaomi 4A which I have recently reviewed also for you. So if you put it over here, uh, this is the phone and Xiaomi 4A, and I'm going to put it here, and if you see, it is nicely put over here, and it is actually, I'm holding it the upside down, so it is supported from here. And after closing it, we will just close this chip. Actually, this chip with MI logo provides it a premium look, you can say. If you are yeah, this MI logo on both the zips holders provide us a premium look, and the quality of zip is also very nice. So if I think it is not possible for me to show you from here. Yeah, yeah, it is not possible with this. I think I need some softwares or something, but I assure you this provide you really a virtual world feeling around you. And because I'm using it from last 2 weeks, but the one thing that you have to take care of, that its lenses, you have to clear it lenses from time to time so that there will be no scratches on this. And while putting and taking it out, you have to take it care of this so there will be no scratches, so it will not give you any strain or damage to your eyes. It has one button also, so after downloading the app, this button works as your controlling unit. And if there is an app in which a pointer is shown on the screen, which I'm not able to show you here. So after, just by moving your head, you can point it out to the certain options and just click it. So this is the clicking button to select anything, and for you can say for selecting, for finding, or for selecting, you have to move your head and make that pointer to reach at that point. For clicking, you have to just click this button. So this is also one of the most important feature which you couldn't find in any other VR, cheap VR actually. So by clicking this, you can uh, able to just select that option and make that option works. It is in that app there is one feature also which converts all your gallery videos into a 3D cinema hall scenario. So you just feel like that if you play your videos from the gallery, it seems that all the videos is just playing in a 3D around you. In the 3D, you give you a feel of that you are seeing that video in a hall. So, but while purchasing the mobile that can be used in this should have the gyro sensor, because if that phone doesn't have a gyro sensor, then it will not allow you to work, because when you shake your head, it just, that video got stuck up one side only, in the above of the screen, up the upside of the screen. So the phone that you are going to use along with this VR or any other VR that must have the gyro sensor in it. Otherwise the quality is premium for this, and you can see that even after doing this, the phone is not moving from its place. So it provides a nice grip. So I recommend this VR if you want to purchase a VR, because it's just for a gaming purpose or something. I suggest you this VR in this price range of around 1000 rupees, because you didn't find this premium quality VR in any other company or any other brand, and Xiaomi is a well established brand, so I really recommended this product for you. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, just put those in comments, and just give you suggestions if you want some improvisation in these videos. Thank you for the day.